How to add snow in Roblox Studio. So first of all, in Roblox Studio, add a part to your game. You can find the option by right-clicking in the Explorer window and selecting Insert Object then Part, and adjust the size and position of the part to cover the area where you want the snow to appear. It's recommended to position the part above the area as the snow will be emitted downwards, and insert a particle emitter into the part. You can do this by clicking the plus button next to the part in the Explorer window and selecting particle emitter, and configure particle emitter properties. Then, like, first of all, change the texture property to the particle emitter to a snowflake image. You can find switchable images in the toolbox or upload your own, and change the emission direction to bottom to the snow falls downwards. Adjust the size property to control the size of the snowflakes, and modify the lifetime to determine how long each snowflake particles exist. Change the speed to control how quickly the snow falls, and see the transparency of the part to 1 to make it invisible after adding the particle emitter. And for optional customization, you can change the color of the snow by adjusting the color property of the particle emitter, and modify the spread angle to control how much the snow spreads out, and change the rate to adjust the density of the snowfall, and run your game to see the snow effect in action as if to test it. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.